to the official start of the Hawaii vlog. It is Saturday, November 5th, and it is it's 8:15 now. My flight boards in 30 minutes, and going to Oahu to see my lovely friend Meg that I met when I was 18 in Europe, and we do one annual trip together every year. I'm so excited and so happy she asked me to come. But yeah, so bright and early, got up this morning and went to bed late last night because I got off work, had to pack, you know the whole deal.
Welcome to Terminal E.
Anyways, I have about 30 minutes until we start boarding, and then it is a 11 or 12 hour straight shot non-stop flight to Oahu. So let's go. I'm so excited. Literally, I need to sleep on the plane, but I'm so excited. I don't know if I'll be able to. In Hawaii. This is Meg, one of my best friends. We met when I was 18. You were 19 or 20.
Right.
We were young, is the point. We were very young.
Young and wild.
Yes, and we traveled all over Europe together, and now here we are many years later in Hawaii.
Our dream.
Yes, we've made it a mission to do one trip together every year because she is like a world traveler. She's living in London right now. But yeah, we're in Hawaii, and it's a beautiful place the family owns, and it's right on Waikiki Beach, and the views are insane.
Oh yes, we should have faced this way.
Well, yeah, I took a million videos of that. Yeah, so we're here. I'm here for a week. We're here for a long
month and a half.
A month and a half, and we're gonna have the best time. So, oh, and she got me this beautiful lei, which I was shocked, and it's real. So. I'm never taking it off. I'm gonna sleep with it tonight. Good morning. It is Sunday, November 6th, and I just woke up. Well, we woke up like 30 minutes ago for sunrise, but woke up and we are in Oahu. Just woke up on the beach, and I'm like shocked, starstruck. It's so beautiful. But I'm having my cup of coffee in this beautiful little mug, and then we're deciding what we're gonna do today. Maybe a hike in the North Shore, coffee plantation, many options. But yes, I'm enjoying my coffee now. And then I'm gonna have an acai and poke and get ready to go for the day. I slept so good, like my body was pretty dead. So I'm glad I got a good night of sleep and just can go all day. So yes, I cannot believe I'm in Hawaii. Like, just got off work, went to the airport, and now I'm in Hawaii. So happy to be here. Good morning, good morning. It is November 7th, it's Monday. And last night we got back from our little beach day and exploring the North Shore and had ramen for dinner, and then woke up early again for sunrise. And we are going to spend today hiking and then probably the beach after. So I'm very excited, and I just feel like so good now that I have sun. It's freaking crazy what sun can do to your happiness levels, literally. But yeah, it's gorgeous here. This place is obviously insane, like insane. That's actually such a good view. That is the plan today. I want to get some more sun and just relax. Like, the pace of Hawaii has always been so good for me because I move way too fast sometimes, and like I don't let myself be in the moment, and this place, like Hawaii, forces you to like be in the moment and spend time doing what you're actually doing instead of thinking about something else. And then also, despite like taking a lot of content on the trip, I have a thing like when I travel, especially with friends that I haven't seen in so long, I don't go on social media or post on social media the entire time I'm here. I'll just do that at a later time when I'm not with people I only see like once a year with my best friend Meg. So yeah, that is the plan for today. I just cannot get over like my face with sun. Like, it feels so good. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and we're gonna get hiking, grab a coffee, and get the day started. I'm so happy to be here. It's not even like sunk in yet. It's the second day. Well, I'm trying to fend for my life up here, but we are hiking the Judd Trail.
Now we're on just a Judd.
Just a Judd. And before this we went to where they filmed Jurassic Park, which was very beautiful. And we got poured on, which is why my hair looks like this, but that's completely fine, which is insanely beautiful. A little challenging for Meg and her new hokas though. But yeah, that is the plan. We made it. Look at how freaking pretty it is. It's so insane. Little hiking fit. And my boob tape that I wore ripped off my actual boob, so that's good. But yes, it's so pretty. I'm so happy. It's so green. It was quite the hike though. I mean, we've been going for 4.2 miles, 2.5 hours, and we just made it to the top, so we got to do that all again. But it's so worth it. Like, genuinely insane. So green and pretty. I wanted to get out my drone, but I think the wind will eat my drone today. It isn't windy right now, but it was. So we're gonna wait on that. Maybe get some good footage of beach before I just crash the drone into the abyss. So yes, it's like I'm so at peace here. It feels so nice. So happy to be here.
It's like the other one.
At the botanical gardens now. So pretty. Okay. That looks incredible.
Oh my god.
Is it day 3 already?
Yeah.
Sad. Day 3 in Hawaii, and we so far have seen like 10 turtles today, so we're good for the day. Day is made. And we went on the paddle boards, and we almost died, but it's okay.
Morning coffee walk on the beach.
Yes, we had a morning coffee walk on the beach, and now we're gonna take some cute pictures and get poke bowls. Island Vintage Cafe, best freaking everything. Like the island latte, the matcha,
Yes.
everything was amazing. And then we walked all up and down the beach, and yeah, it's just been a really good day. It's a lot less, like yesterday was like starstruck with all the hiking, and today is like a chill Waikiki beach day. It's very nice. But yeah, we're in our pink suits and we're gonna go take pics. Good morning. It's a Wednesday and we have this beautiful view. A whole freaking rainbow. But yeah, now I'm gonna get ready. And I literally cannot believe this rainbow. It's insane. But another day in paradise. We did it! Good morning! Just getting tanner and happier as the days go by. It's November 10th and we're going to do a whole around the island day. We're gonna do beach, cliff jumping, acai bowls, coffee, the ranch, pillbox hikes, all of the above. So I'm very excited. Wearing this little outfit here. And it's beautiful. There's a rainbow right there. Last night we got down at the beach and then we did the Coco Head Crater hike, which was insanely beautiful and insanely lots of stairs and kind of scary, but amazing. 10 out of 10, recommend that hike. Yeah. And then we got back and ate copious amounts of pasta. So it was a good day in my book. Meg is getting ready and we're packing up to go. I freaking love Hawaii. I cannot wait to possibly work here at some point in my travel nurse career. So that's the plan. See you today. I'll bring you along. I'm really bad at vlogging at night because I get tired and like I'm never on my phone when I'm here. I'm just taking content. I'm not like really on my phone checking it. But yeah, that's the plan.
Got pina colada. My tongue wasn't so messed up.
Skirts. You're so pretty. Hawaii. It is my last full day here, so I'm in my feels, but we're gonna have a good day. Just ate breakfast, had an acai bowl, going to a really cool beach today, and then going to come back here and watch fireworks and have like a good sunset, drinks, and maybe go out and have a good last night. So let's get the day started. I'm wearing my pink bikini and some linen pants. I don't want to go back to real life. I love it here so much. It's insane. But I know I have to. I have like a horrible flight tomorrow, so I'm not looking forward to it. But we must return. It's been an amazing week here in Oahu, so forever grateful for it. My time here with one of my best friends and her mom, and it's just been perfect. So, yeah, gonna hit the beach one last beach day. I will see you guys there. We're going to a really, really, really cool beach. I'm very excited. So, there's a recommendation from someone who lives here, and it's supposed to be very, very cool. So, I will see you guys there.
That is weird. Yeah, I've never had that before. Normally everyone's using all of it. That's weird.
At the most incredible beach right now on the ends of the earth in Oahu, very, very far into the country, and it's been an amazing beach day. We've seen a Hawaiian monk seal, which is quite literally set up camp and laid right next to us. We had to move away from it. And then right now we're watching a herd of like probably 20 or 30 dolphins feed like right off the beach. It's like one of those once in a lifetime moments. It's incredible. I'm so grateful to be here and see this. Like, travel is like, I'm literally gonna cry. Like, travel means so much to me. It's my #1 passion, and this is just such a good day to like see this kind of thing, like in the most natural, holistic states. Incredible. I'm freaking out right now. We started like jumping and like not screaming, but like jumping and like we were grabbing each other. It was insane. But yeah, I'll show you the beach. It's freaking beautiful. I'm so glad we made the drive for my last day. We were debating against it because this beach is like very, very off track from like anything else. Like there's really nothing here, no civilization. Like it's just the beach. But it's unlike any beach I've ever been to in my life. It's, yeah, it's definitely a day, like I'm experiencing a day and like taking real pictures, but also mental pictures, because this is incredible. Like, I'm just in tears. So, yeah, just trying to take it all in. Gonna go back to watching the dolphins. I just wanted to film a little bit because I keep forgetting. It's just crazy. It's the seal right there. He looks dead, but he's not. Where's he going?